Good morning guys, this is Abby and welcome to my channel guys. So today's video guys, I want to share with you about my journey about my YouTube channel. Finally guys, my YouTube monetizations I reapply yesterday. So finally I get approved. So thank you so much guys for your support. Hi, hello guys! Good evening guys! This is Abby and welcome back to my channel guys. So, kung bago ka pa lang po sa channel ko, ay huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe dito sa Abby channel. So, today's video guys, I want to share about my journey for my monetization approval. So, yesterday guys, I received an email from YouTube that I'm already approved for monetization. Yay! Thank you so much guys for all your support, and I'm so much thankful guys that finally I monetize already, and finally I'm the member of YouTube partner program guys. So as you can see, I have a blog before for I think about the unboxing and for my monetization like this. So if you remember guys, I have a recap about for my monetization that is still not monetized, still not approved because of so many reasons. I think I have a copyright complaint, and I think only that's the reason, that's why I'm not approved. But still I reached the 4,000 watch hours and subscriber also until March 17. So they have a message for me that you can reapply again for monetization start from March 17. So on that day, I check my email. I want to reapply, but still not still not become blue, the reapply for monetization guys. So when I think 2 o'clock on March 18, so I check again my YouTube studio. So I see that I can reapply again. So when I click that one, I think 2 to 6 hours only after I reapply. So 6 hours, after 6 hours, I have an email that I have congratulations. I have an email guys. I want to show you in this. I want to what is one? I want to say, I want to flash in this screen the congratulations email for me. So I'm too much happy because finally I monetized. And on that day also, I take my YouTube studio to on all my video to being monetized like this. So I'm too much happy guys, and that's why I want to make a vlog, a short vlog now for being happy for being happy that I'm the member of a YouTube partner program guys. So it's very hard for me to complete the requirements of YouTube of YouTube. You know why? I've been starting from, I think 2 years after I've been starting to make a vlog, make a video like this, but still it's very hard for me to reach the requirements of YouTube. So but I didn't give up. I still making video, making vlog. I make this one. I make live streaming also because I start already, so I don't want to quit. So yun guys, if you are starting any if you have a dream or you started already, so don't quit. You need to continue until you reach your what you want in life. What you want in life. But it's same like that because you know I'm thinking, so if I stop, if I quit or I stop making vlog like this, so I think not good for me. So I start already, so I need to continue it. So that's why I make a vlog, I make a live stream until I reach the 4,000 watch hour guys and 1,000 subscribers. So finally now I get monetized already. So this is the new journey of my YouTube channel guys. So please watch, and support me also until the end. Till the end. So because I think this one I have a plan to help other also, if ever there's one continue to become good for me like this, if this one YouTube I have enough time, I have enough money to share. So I don't want to say now, but I want to help. So that's it, guys. That's why I started already, so I don't want to quit. So I need to continue this YouTube journey, guys. So don't forget to support me again. So please subscribe every time or watch my YouTube channel, Abby Artastic, guys. Don't forget. I think I think I think I can help also others. Some the mostly the vloggers also, I see that they are helping also, but I want to help also like this. I want to be the same with them. So this is the this is the part of my journey in YouTube that I'm happy, because finally, there are a lot of vloggers, there are a lot of creators that they are starting, but very hard to reach the requirements. That's why sometimes only start. If they start like this, they quit, they stop like this. But for me, I need to continue. As you can see, I have a more vlog, more video, but it's still I think 300 plus my video like this, but still I'm not stopped for making vlog, making a live stream like this, because I think I have a goal. I think this one, I need to continue to help other also. So uh, in this kind of journey, so I'm too much happy, guys, but I want for all your support and to continue this YouTube journey, guys. So don't forget again to subscribe my channel, guys. Abby Artaste. So until the next vlog or my next journey of my life, my family like this, I want to share with you guys, and I hope I hope it can improve my personality. It can improve also my knowledge to share with you guys. So I want to put in the screen all the email for my YouTube journey and how I make how I turn on the monetization $sign like this. So I have a short video, guys, that I want to include this vlog. So that's it, guys. So I'm so much happy, guys, and thank you so much for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Abartasti, guys, and hope to see you more in my vlog. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye bye. So this is the email that I received yesterday. This one yesterday only. Congratulations, you've been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. So this is the email for my YouTube. As you can see, this one. Finally, congratulations. I reapplied this one last March 17, and then yesterday only they have an email for me like this. Congratulations, you've been approved. So finally I've been approved already, and I muted the all copyright that I have. That's why I reapply again. So for now I'm already monetized, and I want to show you the other how I own the monetization icon from all my videos. So I will check the YouTube Studio, guys. So this is want to make like this, and it's directly in my YouTube channel. So this one I want to show you guys. Just wait. It's still my internet connection not ready. So oh my god, too much slow. So this is I want to show this one. You will click like this under your name, So I will click this one. And then I will go to YouTube Studio, guys. Still loading. So this one, I want to close this one. So they have a notification already that you have been monetized. As you can see, your video is same like this. They have monetized video and they have congratulations like this. And you can click this monetization, this one, $sign. This one, and you can see like this. So I own already all the video for my YouTube, so I will show you like this the video. So this one, so as you can see, you see already the green signs, $sign like this. So I have for my short video, guys, is this one ineligible, so this one cannot be monetized, and the others it's already monetized. So I have this is the one reason that I reached the 4,000 watch hour because of my short video, same like this. But this one cannot be monetized. This one, it depends on the country where you from. And then so this one, I have another blog like this, so it can be a $sign already. So I open already that one. So finally, thanks God, that's all my video is monetized. So see, as you can see, this one have a $sign like this. As you can see also, they have a yellow. This one, it's you can take your video, but this one cannot put the ads because maybe your video like this cannot YouTube cannot put any ads because maybe this one not required, or they have a reason why they are not putting ads. So the reason this one is this video is being reviewed by the to determine whether it's suitable for most advertiser. The request a review. So you can request this one if this one why no ads like this, but you can request, and the other is it's okay. As long, but you cannot delete your video, guys. Even you cannot delete, it's okay. So thank you so much, guys, like this. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me this monetization journey, guys. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Welcome back to my monetization for my second time, guys. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, guys, for a short explanation of my monetization journey, guys. So that's it. I show you how I own my monetization and the process of being monetized like this. Although it's not step by step that I explained already, because it's the other blog still I'm not prepared to to make this YouTube journeys, but anyway, thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Abby Artastic channel, guys. So don't forget to support me again, and hope to see you soon for more vlogs. Thank you so much, guys.